नमस्कार, पोया प्रुडंट खबरो। अर्थमंत्री पर्रीकारान मांडले 16,270 कोटीचे शिल्की बजेट। गोय करतले भिकारी मुक्त आणि केरोसिन मुक्त। कर्मचाऱ्यांक व्हीआरएस, पेट्रोलाचेर 15% व्हॅट। 2 वर्सांचे लॅपटॉप एकदम दितले, बजेटात घोषणा। बजेटाचेर राजकीय फुडारी आनी जाणकारांच्यो प्रतिक्रिया। विरोधी पक्ष काँग्रेस म्हणटा बजेट फक्त सत्ताधारी आमदारां पुरते। विजय म्हणटा बजेटात दिसता गोंयकारपण। कणगूटचो आमदार मायकल लोबो विधानसभेचो उपसभापती। मायकल 21 आड 15 मतांनी जिखलो। उपसभापतीचे वेंचणुकेकूय चर्चिल। बीजेपी काँग्रेसी मदीं मेरेर। आणि नोटबंदीच्या काळात बँकांनी मोठी डेपोझिटां भरिल्ल्या 500 जाणांक इन्कम टॅक्साच्यो नोटीशी बेहिशेबी येणावळ जाहीर करूंक 31 मार्च मेरेन निमणो प्राझ। उपरांत पेनल्टी आनी कारवाय। अर्थमंत्री पर्रीकारान 16,270 कोटींचे शिल्की बजेट मांडले। गोंयाक पयली भिकारी मुक्त आनी केरोसिन मुक्त राज्य करपाचो प्लान आसा। भ्रष्ट अधिकाऱ्यांचे बेहिशेबी मालमत्तेची चौकशी करूंक विजिलन्सात खासा विभाग। कर्मचाऱ्यांक व्हीआरएस, वेस्ट मॅनेजमेंट महामंडळाची स्थापणूक जातली। फाटले 2 वर्सांचे लॅपटॉप बरोबर दितले। पेट्रोलाचेर 15% व्हॅट, रोड टॅक्स दिवप अश्यो कांय घोशणाय पर्रीकारान केल्यात।
दिठीच्या दिशा खोल तेजाळटना कुणी जागले रे कुणी जागले, दिवे लागले रे दिवे लागले, तमाच्या तळाशी दिवे लागले. With these words of great Goan poet, late Shankar Ramani, I rise before the August House to present the annual budget of the state of Goa for the year 2017-18. The Goa's per capita income at the current prices was at rupees 2,71,793, which is highest in the country. Pursuant to recommendation of the 14th Finance Commission Award, and today the Union government has earmarked 3,224.61 crores rupees as state share of central taxes and grant in aid, accounting to nearly 22.4% of the net present budget. Besides this measure, the Union government, more particularly the Ministry of Road, Transport and Highways, has sanctioned projects worth approximately rupees 11,000 crores for the state of Goa. The revenue receipt of the current fiscal are estimated at 10,872.63 crore and the revenue expenditure is estimated at rupees 10,670.15 crores. Sir, the gross budget size for the year 17-18 has been estimated at rupees 16,027.01 crore. I have not compromised on the implementation of any welfare scheme or on the infrastructure while making present budget provisions, but still control the increase in revenue expenditure at bare minimum. In order to tighten and streamline the bureaucracy, I propose to implement the Goa Right of Citizens to Time-Bound Delivery of Public Service Act 2013, ensuring time-bound services to the citizen of the state. Further, the government servants who are not able to cope up with the expectations of the citizens and the government for various personal or work-related reasons will be given an opportunity to take voluntary retirement. For this purpose, I propose to introduce special scheme for voluntary retirement. Sir, to ensure transparent and corruption-free governance, I intend to strengthen the Vigilance Department by constituting a special squad with full powers to investigate all types of vigilance cases, including those related to disproportionate assets. I propose to build a government administrative complex at Morod in Mapsa. This will bring most of the government departments under one roof. I aim to achieve 6% growth in agriculture sector, thereby making Goa completely self-sustainable and non-dependable in respect of food grain, milk, vegetables and all other agriculture products. Sir, I am aware that a laptop could not be distributed for higher secondary student under Cyber Age scheme for last 2 years. And I assure this House that the entire backlog will be covered during this financial year. Although there is Goa Daman and Diu Prevention of Begging Act 1972 in place, we see number of beggars increasing day by day. It would be endeavor of my government to make Goa first beggar-free state of the country. Therefore, I propose to establish a full-fledged rehabilitation center for beggars. Speaker sir, at present 5 allied health science courses are run by Goa Medical College. I propose to establish a new dedicated college for these allied health service courses. Speaker sir, similarly my government will complete construction work of new South Goa District Hospital on mission mode, and I propose to put this hospital for public use with state-of-art facilities during year 2018. Sir, Deen Dayal Swasthya Seva Yojana is picking up very well, and my government will further strengthen the scheme with appropriate enhancement in benefits after reviewing the same at the end of 1 year. In order to give utmost thrust on rural development, I propose to create and establish a new department for rural development. We will receive around 550 crores for various projects for development of Panji city from central government under these schemes, out of which, Speaker sir, during this year, I propose to install 100 dual pump solar powered water supply projects at various locations in the state where there is a shortage of water supply for further improvement of water supply in these areas. Speaker sir, during this year, additional 15 MLD water treatment plant at Chandel, 5 MLD water treatment plant at Wade Netravali costing 25 crores, 5 MLD water treatment plant at Kankana, 20 MLD water treatment plant at Giri, 20 MLD water treatment plant at Tuya crores, and 15 MLD water treatment plant at Porvori costing 50 crores will be taken up for execution. Speaker sir, I have enhanced budgetary provision of the Public Works Department by almost 40%, with total allocation of rupees 1,982.82 lakhs, and all the infrastructure required for under 17 FIFA World Cup football tournament is in place, and additional infrastructure required for 36 national games will be created with a year, for which I have provided rupees 105 crores. This financial year, I propose to undertake construction of second integrated municipal waste treatment plant along with transfer station at Kakora in South Goa. In order to solve the major problem of traffic congestion in major cities, I propose to draft and implement a dedicated traffic management plan for Panji, Margao, Vasco, Mapsa and Fonda. My government will celebrate this golden jubilee year of opinion poll with various activities organized throughout the year with emphasis on Goan identity till 16 January 2018. Sir, during current financial year, I also intend to undertake construction of Konkani Bhavan under Konkani Academy. Speaker sir, regulation and illegal houses, especially on Comunidad and government-owned land, is long pending issues. To settle the issue once and for all, and to grant relief to concerned people, I propose to enact an appropriate and effective legislation in order to regularize these houses. Sir, I also propose to keep 30% reservation to the local population in all future housing schemes developed by Goa Housing Board. Sir, my government intends to convert the erstwhile Fort Aguada jail complex into a monument highlighting Goan freedom struggle, and will have facilities for daily sound and light leisure show for the tourists. I propose to construct a mini helipad at the existing helipad location at Dauji, Old Goa. This will generate jobs for local youth and promote high-end tourism facilities. Sir, since GST rollout is imminent, I have not tinkered with the rates of various commercial taxes. However, I propose to withdraw the scheme of collection of entry fee at the border point when GST is implemented. The prices of petrol in Goa are significantly lower compared to the neighboring states of Karnataka and Maharashtra, where this fuel is sold between 72 and 76 rupees respectively. In view of the enhanced spending and provisions made for various existing and new initiatives in the budget, I propose to enhance the rate of VAT on motor spirit to 15%, 1.5. Even with this increase, the price of petrol will be less than 65. Speaker sir, last year the motor vehicle tax collected at the time of registration of vehicle was marginally enhanced. In the case of high-end vehicles, the purchasers chose to evade the levy by registering their vehicle in other states, who have much lower incidence of tax, thereby causing loss to state exchequer. I propose to rationalize this levy as detailed in Annexure B. Speaker sir, I propose to revise the fees for renewal of licenses, annual recurring fees and fees for transfer of licenses for land-based and offshore casinos.
घेऊया एक ब्रेक.